My name's Trevor Joseph, you're watching Rolling Slow Media, and this is Porsche, Supercars and Modern Classics in Regent's Park. This is our 4th event since we started, and it's just growing in numbers, and we get such a great selection of cars. Today, we're going to take a little walk through Regent's Park and check out some of the cars. Guys, that's all we've got time for. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on notifications so you don't miss an upload, because this is every month, second Sunday of the month, and it's only going to get better, and you need to be here. Anyway, catch you in the next one. Take care. Peace.